In English, you wouldn't face up with such confusions when it came to the usage of the word long. How long have you been learning Russian? How long is your wedding veil? In Russian, each long should be analyzed properly. Длинный refers to the length. У девочки длинные волосы. Дорога длинная. Мне нравится это длинное платье. Долгий is about time. How long, according to your watch, you have been waiting for me? Как долго ты меня ждешь? Долгий always means uncertain period of time. Мы ехали долго и, наконец, увидели дом. Мы уже долго стоим в очереди. Я долго не могла заснуть вчера ночью. Everything is quite easy. But there are situations where the choice is not so obvious. When you choose a word, it's not because of its meaning, but the emotions that you want to express with it. День был долгий or день был длинный. Both. How come? You already know that долгий is used when you want to show that the time you spent or waste on something was long. In other words, you are going to reach some goal, but reaching it demands to go through a passive period of time awaiting when the goal becomes approachable. Have a look at the example. Мы ехали долго и, наконец, увидели дом. What was the goal? That house, or maybe any dwellings where there is somebody to help them. You can imagine them driving and looking around in search of a house, and they spend a lot of time to reach it. Как долго ты меня ждешь? The goal is to meet the person who he was waiting for. The meeting is a goal. And finally, his obliged wait comes to the end. Мы уже долго стоим в очереди. The goal, finally to finish the purchase and enjoy the buying. Nobody likes to be stuck in a line, but the people from the sentence are forced to waste their time there to get what they want. It's time to go back to our ambiguous sentence. День был долгий or длинный. If the day was долгий, день был долгий, it gives the listener the cue that the speaker has been waiting for something during the day. That's why the day felt so долгий. День был долгий, наконец-то я могу досмотреть фильм. Я могу с тобой встретиться. As you can see, it would be very natural to add наконец-то, finally. The waiting time has finished and something desired is coming. If the day was длинный, день был длинный. The day was длинный not because this day, when you are awake, had more than 12 daylight hours. The speaker just feels like he spent more time of being active than usually. I guess he or she had lots of work to do, lots of things to complete. The speaker is tired, he or she thought that the day would never end. День был длинный means the day felt endless. Choosing between долгий and длинный follows the logic of your idea, but don't forget about feeling and estimation when they are involved.